Within every one of us is a builder. Whether we will join the team of another master builder or start building on our own, we all want to be a part of something. You may be trained as a plumber, an engineer, a doctor or nurse, an accountant, a psychologist, or in some other craft or specialty, but you are also a builder, or at the very least someone who will build with others. Whether you are just starting off on the journey as an emerging leader, watching your own child play in the backyard, or have had many join you on the journey, and you too are struggling to understand how to connect your people-building efforts to whatever it is that you do in the world, you are not alone. Within each one of us is a builder, but early on we often don't fully realize what it will take to build together over the long haul. When others join us on a mission, we call that a team, and as even more join us, we call that an organization. Building together is the process of organizing, which allows us to build larger and larger things for more and more people. As we build, what we often don't realize until it is too late is that building together requires us to know each other, to see each other, and to trust each other. We realize that as we grow, if we fail to tend to the garden of relationships that either thrives or dies at the base of whatever it is we are building together, our organizations will not thrive, and neither will we. Every one of us has dreams and aspirations that we will be a part of something bigger than us. No matter what industry you work in or where you are from, deep within each of us is a desire for a greater purpose and to be a part of something that is making a difference in the lives of others. Sure, we need resourcing for ourselves, and we need wins and rewards that keep us moving forward, but we also want to be a part of something that is making a difference for others. In too many organizations, we've lost sight of that reality. And we've lost sight of why we got started in the first place. My hope is that you are inspired to something more, and you will see a pathway to understanding what it means to create long and sustaining value as you build, to increase the returns of your building efforts by creating an irreconcilable connection between your efforts to build things and to build people. And at the core of that effort will be your ability to build trust that spreads across your entire organization between every team member, within yourself, and even in your family. A wild and extraordinary trust that connects that childhood builder in every person on the journey with you to the childhood builder in you. That kind of trust is whole, it is sustaining, it is life-changing. And it is wild. It is a wild trust that allows you to see what is invisible, measure what is too often left as an intangible feeling, and build an unbreakable and life-changing level of trust for everyone who builds with you.